Today is 7th August 2020. We, the members of Southeast Divisional Committee TSF, have gathered here at Mande Gurmani Stadium to show our solidarity towards our little sister, a 17-year-old girl. We know that this incident took place on 21st of July last month. She was gang raped by 5 men belonging to the Muslim community, and according to the information we heard that 3 of them have been already arrested by the Tripura police, and 2 of them are still absconding. We do not know where are they right now. So this is our humble request to our Chief Minister and also to the state government. Please do arrest 2 more culprits who are still absconding. And recently we heard one more incident which occurred at Ambassa. A woman called Rupurung Riang, she was a mother of 1 child, was raped and killed. And we do not know who were the culprits. So this kind of rapings are taking place in the state of Tripura very frequently, but the state government is not giving any response. So we, the TSF, would like to request to our state government and also to our Chief Minister, if we look at other countries like in United Arab Emirates, we know that when the rapist, when they rape any woman or any girl, the rapists are taken to gallows, which means they are hanged to death. But in our country, India, so far we have not seen many people are being hanged or many people are not given capital punishment. So I think maybe this is the main reason why the people in India are still having courage to rape a girl or a woman. So we want a proper justice for our 17-year-old girl who was raped. And according to Indian Penal Code, under the Constitution of India 375 and 76, all the necessary punishments should be given to the rapist. And if the rapists are not given the penalties, so we, the TSF organization, will not keep quiet. We will come forward till we get a justice. We will try to fight. And at the end, I would like to give this message to our Tiprasa girls, because my dear Tiprasa girls, you think, why only our Tiprasa girls are being raped? Why not other girls belonging to other communities? It is maybe because of the costumes that you wear, maybe because of the relationships that you stay with other tribes. So this is the time to think of yourself. We must not only blame to the rapist. First and foremost, you should blame yourself about the costumes that you wear. Because today, if you go to different places, we see many of our Tripuri girls, they wear sexy dress. Maybe this is the main reason why a lot of rapings are taking place in the state of Tripura. So my dear Tiprasa girls, I want to request you all, please, you should avoid wearing sexy dresses and you should try to wear a common dress, and then please stop building up your relationships with the non-tribal people. This is the message which I want to give at the end. My name is Amit Devarma. I am the Vice President of Southeast Divisional Committee, Tripura Students Federation.
Tini chung Tripura Student Federation TSF Southeast Divisional Committee by Luajijak Kaisa Mande Gurmani Stadium Khaduma Phunumma Phunuka Tamani Bagai Hinkai Laithana 21 tarik Telemurawa class 9 pori utongnai 17 bosoni cherai rap khajaka tai 1 tarik agosto Rupurung Riang National Highway Ambassa rap khayei buthajang marok chung nukha tai kobangma sara Tripura chini tar sara Tripura hawa rap khajaga chini buri besarok buthajagai tongo pori utongnai rap khajago umor kasuya borok umor kasuya no rap khajago Obonoti Chungtini Southeast Division Committee TSF Chungtini Oro Khadumani Maphunuka Obonoti Sanani Kalayo Sara Tripura Hawa Jaga Jagai Rap Khajagai Tongo Jaga Jagai Buthar Jagai Tongo Chini Borok Umor Kasuya Borok Umor Kasuya Sanino Rap Khajago Pori Tongai Rap Khajago Aboni Bagai Chung Tripurani Je Sarkar Je Tabuk Bortoman Sarkar no kora podokep nanani bagaibo kobok jago tai waisa sara Tripura hawo जों अबाहिकै उमरका सुगिया बरक उमरका सुगिया बुरै परिवि तंनाय जेरै अबाहिकै जों रेप खायजोंमा खोनाका बा Tripurasani जे परिवि तंनाय रंनो जों अबाहिकै रेप खायजोंमा खोनाका हांखाय सारा Tripura हाwo जों हाक लैरिनाय ताइ जे आफुरु जे बर्तमान प्रेजेंट गभर्नमेंट नि आबो दायि इंनाय आबो सम्पूर्ण बेठता फातार हाwo जों नुगो जे रेप खायजोंनाय जे रेप खायनायनो बोथाजागो जास्टिक रिजागो जास्टिक मानो जे रेप खायजोंनाय ताइ जे रेप खायनाय रक नांमानि शास्ति मानो अबा हायकै जोंनि Tripura हावबो ग्राक शास्ति रिनानि बागै जों तिनि एसेप नि इंगैनाय जों तिनि कयजाबो ताइ अबसिमिया ताइबो गथना तंगो जागाय जागाय स्कुल कलेज साइचुं थांग्रा गया जोंनि बुरै बसा कुनु निरापत्ता करै आबोनि बागै जों निरापत्ता रिनानि बागै ताइ सारा Tripurawo जे जागाय जागाय रेप खायजोंमाति आबोनो जों सेलांगो आसुनो हामबाय आं सत्यरन्जन देबरमा सेन्ट्रेल कमिटिनि TSF सेन्ट्रेल कमिटिनि मेम्बार